Hello friends, and thank you for your overwhelming response on my videos. One of the things which pains me a lot whenever I visit manufacturing organization is the ineffectiveness of safety signages in communicating the hazards. Whereas when I visit shopping malls, metro station, airports, I found these signages are effectively communicating the hazard. People are following the instruction of the signages. These signages are adding visual appeal to the workplace. I wonder if these signages are ineffective in this high footfall area, what it could lead to. There will be a total chaos as we see in most of the bus stand or railway stations. Signages are level 4 control measures. Their use is mandatory under various legal requirements and product approvals. I tried to figure out the reason why safety signages are not effective in manufacturing sector whereas they are much effective in airports, shopping malls and metro stations. The number one reason, is it money? No, money is not the reason. In fact, in manufacturing organization, the money spent on safety signages and poster is much more than that spent on training and audits. Before every important visit or audit, safety posters are purchased and displayed over the entire workplace in order to give it a visual appeal. So, if money is not the reason for its ineffectiveness, then what are the reasons? Number one, safety professionals have limited understanding of safety signage standard. Number two, 95% of safety professionals does not have creative skills. For this, they are solely dependent on the suppliers of safety posters. Suppliers of safety posters are basically printing machine owners who are largely dependent on the creativity of their designers. These designers have never visited our workplace. They do not know our manufacturing processes, our brand guidelines, and as such, most of the time posters are complete mismatch. Third, we do not maintain signages effectively. Now, let's discuss all these three issues in detail. Issue number one, limited understanding of safety signage standard. The most widely accepted safety signage standard is ANSI Z535. This signage is divided into three sections. On the top of it, you will find five different color panels. If you see a word danger written over red background, this indicates that if you violate the instruction of this signage, it will result into LTI or reportable accident. If you see warning written over amber background, this indicates that if you violate this instruction, it will result into medical incident or non-reportable injury. If you see word written as caution over yellow background, it means violation of this instruction will lead to first aid cases. If you see the word notice written over blue background, this is a simple instruction not related to safety. If you see some instructions written over green background, this indicates that they are safety instructions. The second section on the left indicates the hazard pictogram. This pictogram has been taken from ISO 7010 standard. The third section on the right has three interconnected sentences. What is the hazard? What it will lead to? And what safe instruction you need to follow. I hope this have given you a better understanding of safety signage standard and you will communicate this standard to your employees. The next challenge is the size. ANSI mentions three distinct sizes based on the distance you would like to communicate the hazard. Number two, ineffective safety posters. Safety posters plays a pivotal role in reinforcing the message of safety, enhance awareness, provide constant reminders of safety rules. Providing safety posters at workplace is a legal requirement. Metro Sheet Construction Manual Appendix 14 explicitly mentions the number of posters required, the type of poster required, and the sizes of the posters for construction site. Why safety posters are ineffective? Because internet copy design are not relevant to our workplace. We provide too much information on one single poster, giving no breathing space for the others to absorb the information. Selling safety message through negative communication. The fonts and the colors used on the poster is inconsistent with company workplace environment and brand guidelines. In order to make safety posters effective, you need to engage creative agencies who will design posters relevant to your workplace theme. Today, there are many startup or agencies who do this exercise at a very reasonable cost. The third concern is that signages are not maintained effectively, means we do not give any respect to the signages. We often observe defaded signages, signages torn off from the corners, signages not aligned properly. Believe it or not, signages are antecedents to behavioral change, means behavior change is not possible without signages, and signages are not going away from the workplace even in future also. It's a high time that we should start giving importance to our safety signage program. We must have a comprehensive approach towards safety signage assessment. We must periodically inspect the safety signages, periodically rotate the safety posters in the workplace, engage creative agencies for designing the safety posters, train our workforce on safety signage standard. I hope you have loved this video. Please keep liking, sharing, subscribing, and learn safety my way.